Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unban Minichat. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to remove the ban on your account here on your Minichat account, well, there are a few things that you may want to understand. Now, if you think that the ban is unfair, well, you can actually ask for support. So how do you exactly ask for support? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your browser, just type in Minichat support, and you should see minichat.com here and their support page. Let's go and click on it. Now, what we need to do is you want to go and provide the necessary details. That includes the first name and last name that you use inside the account, and also the message that you want to send, and also the email address that you use on your account. Again, use the email address that you've signed up in Minichat. Now, for the message part, you just need to say that you want to request assistance on removing the ban on your account. You could also explain your current circumstances, like for example, why you think you got banned, and explain what actually happened. Now, you also need to click on I'm not a robot here just to verify that you're not a robot, and click on send. Now, typically, they will email you back if they are able to help you in removing the ban. But just in case if that doesn't work and they are not responding, well, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to change a few things. Now, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go to the very homepage or the very first screen you see when you first open up your Google Play Store account. Now, at the top right, you can go and click on your profile photo, and you want to go and click on the switch account section here. Click on the drop down and click on the add another account and switch over to that other account so that you have another account that you could use for Minichat, because you won't be able to use your old account or your old email address. So that's why you need a new email address here. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and look for Minichat. So look for Minichat, press and hold on it until you see this pop up here. Click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here, and it should redirect you to the app info page. Now, by the way, you can also access this page by going to your settings, going to apps, and just looking for Minichat. Now, from here, click on clear data at the bottom right here. Click on clear all data and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you can go and open up Minichat again. And from then on, you just need to log in to your new email address. Now, again, you need to log in using your new email address in order for you to start using the platform again. Again, you can go and click on sign in with Google and use a different email account in order for you to proceed. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.